Today's lesson is on volume of cones. The volume of a cone is 1/3 the product of the area of the base and the height of a cone. If you recall, the volume of a cylinder was pi r squared times height. Since the volume of a cone is 1/3 that tells us that a cone represents 1/3 of a cylinder. Or if we took a cone and filled it up and poured it into a cylinder, it would only fill up 1/3 of that cylinder. Let's look at an example of how to find the volume of a cone. We apply our formula as being volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times height. We replace pi with 3 1400ths. We're going to replace our radius. Now, as you can see here, our diameter is 4. Remember, radius is half of the diameter. So 4 divided by 2 would give us 2. And the height of our cone is 6. Remember order of operations, so we square our number first, so that's 2 squared is 4. And now what we're going to do is we are going to multiply pi times the radius squared times the height. So that's 3 1400ths times 4 times 6, which is 75 3600ths. And we're going to take 1/3 of that number. Taking 1/3 of a number, or multiplying by 1/3, is the same as dividing by 3. So we are going to take 75 3600ths and we're going to divide it by 3. And when we do so, that gives us a volume of 25 1200ths meters cubed. Don't forget that volume is measured in cubic units because we are looking at all 3 dimensions of the figure at the same time. Here we have 2 guided practice problems. Pause the video and see if you can determine what the volume of the purple cone is. We begin by applying our formula, which is volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times height. We replace pi with 3 1400ths, replace our radius with 5 squared, and our height with 8. Our first step is to square 5. When we square 5, that's going to give us 25. And then we're going to multiply those 3 numbers together. So 3 1400ths times 25 times 8 gives us 628. Remember, multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 2. Or dividing by 3. So we're going to divide 628 by 3, and that's going to give us 209 3/10 repeating. 3/10 repeating is the same as 1/3. So this is 209 1/3, or 209 3/10 repeating. We can round this to the nearest tenth by just saying 209 3/10 centimeters cubed. Now pause the video and find the volume of the green cone. We begin by applying our formula. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times height. We replace pi with 3 1400ths. This time we have a diameter of 6, so we need to take half of 6, which gives us a radius of 3. And our height is 9. When we square 3, we get 9. So we are multiplying 3 1400ths times 9 times 9, which gives us 254 3400ths. Once again, we're going to find a third of that number. Multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. So that gives us a volume of 84 78/100 yards cubed. This is how we find volume of a cone.